Hello, good day. Am I speaking to Mr. Joseph?
Yes, this is Joseph speaking. Who's this?
This is Cornelius Joe M. Pangindian, the pharmacist you met earlier at Doreen's Pharmacy. I just wanted to check in after your visit the other day.
Oh yes, thank you for calling. Yeah.
Oh, no problem, sir. I just wanted to say it's really good that you came in to have your blood pressure checked. Especially with what happened to your neighbor. It was always better to be safe, okay?
Yeah, it got me thinking about my health. Yeah.
That's totally understandable, sir. Since you mentioned your knee pain, smoking, and that you have never had your blood sugar checked before, I recommend that visiting a doctor with a full checkup so they can assess everything properly and give you advice.
You think it's something serious?
Not necessarily, sir, but it's better to catch things early. Also, a doctor can help you manage your knee pain better and check if everything's okay with your heart and sugar levels.
I see. I've just never really thought about it.
That's okay, sir. What's important is that you're starting now. If you want, I can help you find a clinic or doctor nearby for the checkup.
Yeah, that will help. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Joseph. Just let you know that if you need anything else or have questions, I'm always here to help.
Alright, I'll talk to my wife and book it soon. Thanks again.
Great. Take care, Mr. Joseph. Talk to you soon.